Did the state fail to protect dozens of veterans who died from the coronavirus at the Holyoke Soldiers Home? Tonight, the I-Team discovered a major oversight that could have saved lives. WBZ's chief investigative reporter Cheryl Fiandaca has the story.
These are some of the faces of the veterans who died of COVID-19 at the Soldiers Home in Holyoke. The video tribute created to honor the military heroes, including Michelle Roseo's grandfather.
I'm just sad. I don't think we've received an apology for this. And unfortunately, I don't even really think the administration thinks that they did anything wrong.
The I-Team has learned the responsibility for the crisis may rest with the state's failure to implement what's called the HOME Act.
I want to know why the legislation was passed for a reason. It's something that should have been done.
Based on the recommendations in this 2016 Massachusetts Veterans Commission report, the HOME Act, signed by Governor Baker, established an Office of State Veterans Homes and Housing and required an executive director with a minimum of 5 years' experience in health care to oversee the Chelsea and Holyoke homes. But that job was never filled. The LinkedIn online profiles of the Chelsea and Holyoke superintendents do not show that they had any experience in health care, and it appears no one in their direct chain of command above them had any either.
Did they have the competencies to run these facilities? From my perspective, these are healthcare facilities. They're healthcare facilities because you're dealing with a very aging demographic. We need to make sure that we have the right personnel in place. And this is an opportunity first for us to get answers as to what happened here in this home and in other homes where we believe there may have been wrongdoing or illegal conduct.
The Attorney General's office is conducting one of 3 investigations into what happened at Holyoke, where there are more than 70 deaths and dozens of others still positive for the deadly virus.
I'm outraged that the proper precautions were not taken. Could these deaths have been prevented? I think a lot of them could have been.
We reached out to the governor's office for comment and were told we would be provided with a statement, but so far we have not received one. Cheryl Fiandaca, WBZ News.
Well, just a short time ago, we did get that statement from the state. It says the circumstances that led to the heartbreaking situation at Holyoke Soldiers Home, including management and oversight of the facility, are the subject of a full and impartial investigation ordered by the governor, led by attorney Mark Pearlstein. Paula?
Well, Liam, some patients